Suppose you think like the date of birth is not available here. So if you go to date of birth and click on date of birth, so there is a field called set field level security. There is a button. If you click on set field level security, you have to make it this one as visible. This is one issue. Okay, this is the first step. You have to debug why the field is visible or not. You have to enable visibility for all profiles, then you are able to see the field in layout. Still you are not able to see the layout even though you are enabled the checkbox. Then what you have to do, go to the object, there is a page layout. Okay, either you are click on page layout here, click on edit layout. Otherwise in force.com menu itself we have a edit layout. Okay, if you go to edit layout here, edit layout, and you can drag and drop that field. Here field is available, just you can drag and drop the field like this in layout. Okay, so this is another step. Okay, so please do these two steps and let me know still you have issues, then I will explain how to do that. Okay, hope you clear.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
So last class I think we discussed about master detail and many to many relationship, and today we are going to start with lookup relationship. Lookup relationship. So whatever we discussed, master detail relationship, that is opposite properties are nothing but lookup relationship. Okay, so in master detail fields are mandatory, parent fields. In lookup not mandatory. Let's see one by one. I'm going to mention all the properties. One is it is a one to many relationship, same as master detail. It is also one to many relationship, means one object, one parent having multiple childs. And also it can be created, both standard and custom object, standard and custom objects. But in master detail only we can create standard objects, custom objects, not for standard object. And also one more is parent field is optional field, in child object. In master detail parent field is mandatory, you must enter the parent information while creating child data. But if lookup relationship, parent field is optional, no need. If even though you are not enter parent information, it is allowing to save the data. Okay, that is one more. And also we can create lookup relationship. We can create this relationship if already object is having data. Anytime we can build a lookup relationship. Why? Because the field is optional field, right? Even though data is present, we can build the relationship. Or if the child is not having data also, we can create a data. Already this point is cleared for last class. In master detail already data is available, it is not possible to create directly in master detail relationship. First you have to create a lookup and then convert to master detail. That step is already we discussed. I think no need to discuss again. Okay, now if you delete parent record, then child remains same. Same. It's not deleted. But if you delete the parent record, what happened? Child record in master detail, child also it is deleted automatically. Okay, same story. Okay, owner of the parent record, parent record may or may not be the same. Same owner also it is applicable. Same for the child record. Means parent record owner same as child record owner, or maybe different user also maybe record owner for child. It is a independent of parent record. Parent permissions it is not applicable to child record. We have to give the child permission separately. Okay, in sharing model. So governor limit for lookup relationship is party per object. And also here one more point is self lookup it is possible. This is also already we discussed. Self lookup is possible, means we can create parent and child, both are same only. Okay, that it is possible. And also here child can be controlled deletion of the parent record, deletion of the parent record. Suppose parent record is having any child data. If you attempt to delete the parent record, it will through the alert message, or it will say it will through the error. So this parent is having these many childs. You are not possible to delete the parent record. First, you have to remove the child data, remove a dependent data, and then you can remove the parent data. That it is possible in lookup. So master detail, it's not possible. Okay, this one. So these are the points, is nothing but a lookup relationship. Let's discuss one example. Create lookup relationship between R as mentioned below. As mentioned below. So what are here? Parent record is personal info, and the child is attendance. Okay, this is one relationship. If you want one more, parent is personal info, and the child is contacts. Okay, we can create two custom to standard to custom, anything it is possible in lookup relationship. Okay, lookup relationship, there is no any proper restrictions to use only for specific object, not like that. Okay, you can connect with standard to custom object or custom to standard object, but in master detail always we can connect from custom object to standard object, standard to standard, standard to custom, it's not possible. Okay, here right. Let's see these two examples how to create lookup relationship. Go to attendance, click on here new. So there is no any field here. Click on view fields, click on new field, select the lookup relationship, click on next. Now select here what is the parent record, personal info. Select the personal info, click on next. Now select the personal info and see here, later we'll discuss about that point. Click on next now. Next. The child relationship we are referring in code level. Okay, at the time of Apex class we will discuss later. Make it visible. Click on next. See, maybe you disable this one as well while creating field. That is the reason the field is not visible. Okay, make it visible this one as well. Click on next and make it visible for parent layout. Click on save. Once it is saved, see here, I'm not going to select personal information, parent information. Attendance name is Nagraj. Click on save now. See, it is saved without entering personal info. Why? Because this is the optional field. Optional field. If you want to choose the personal info, then you can select the personal info here. Okay, save now. This is. Okay, this is it is possible in lookup relationship. Suppose now here what is that, I'm going to create one more clone and I'm going to enter Sam. Save now. So same story, if you go to personal info record, open the personal info. See now if you go to here, see there is a attendance, not this record, I think. Open this record one. If you go to attendance here, see two people are there. Okay, two attendance is logged into this personal info. See, one to many, one to two records means one to many relationship. Lookup also it is one to many relationship. Yes, it is available both standard and custom object. Just now we created custom object, because of that lookup option is available. Now if you go to standard object now, if you go to contact, click on view fields. Now go to here, click on new field. See here also we have a lookup relationship. Means lookup relationship, it is possible through either standard object or custom object. Okay, means it is allowing to select child object as either standard or custom. That possibility I will explain later. Okay, you can understand more about this. And the parent field is optional. Yes, parent field is optional. Even though you are not going to select the parent information, it is allowing to save the data. Just now we test. Okay, test. And also we can create relationship fields if already data is having, right? Let's see now. If you go to second one, what is that? Contact is the child, personal info is the parent. Maybe one personal info, one contact having only one personal info. That is the story. Go to contacts, already contact having data. See how many records we have contact. There is a 21 records we have. If it is possible to create a lookup relationship, already data is present in object. Yes. Go to new button. This is the standard object. Select the lookup relationship. Click on next. Now select personal info is the parent and the contact is the child. Click on next. Now make it visible. Click on. So if you want, you can add filter as well. You can add filter. Which personal info we want to discuss. See this lookup filter when we are going to use, right? I will tell you one example. See, suppose that application is using globally. Globally means they're using APAC region, maybe USA region, maybe EMEA region as well. But whenever creating contact record, contact is belongs to EMEA region. Only we want to show for EMEA related personal info records. Then what we have to do? Select here the region field here, personal info region field. Select this one. Which field we want? Something example I'm telling. Address line equals to EMEA. Just type like this so that whenever user is click on pop-up window, same like this. If user is click on pop-up window, here user is belongs to EMEA region, means contact region is EMEA, then only EMEA records only it is showing. We want to filter this data, then we can filter by using lookup filter as well. Here we have a filter. Okay, lookup filter. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Okay. So when we are going to use, if we want to display the parent information, only specific parent information based on condition, then we have to choose the lookup filter. Okay, this filter is available both master detail and also lookup relationship also it is available. Okay, right. Click on next now. I don't want to add any filter. Make it visible. Click on next. Next. Save. See now I have created without any issues, even though contact is having data. So I have created field. So click on edit now. I'm not going to select personal info. I'm not going to select personal info. Click on save. It is saved without selecting personal info because of this is the optional field. Hope you satisfied. Okay. If already data is present, we can create a lookup relation. Let's see if you delete parent record, what happened child record? Let's see. Suppose I'm going to delete this personal info record. So what happened? These two related records. These two records are having same parent, right? If you go to here, edit, I'm going to select the personal info. Don't worry, these concepts and all I will explain one by one. We'll go for one by one. Save now. See, two contacts are belongs to same personal ID, right? Same personal info record. Why? Because in personal info also we can see that two records are assigned to same parent only. See here personal info. If you delete the personal info, what happened? Let's see. If you delete the parent record, click on delete parent record. If you go to attendance and refresh, see only the personal info ID is removed. Means the particular assignment is removed. Remaining record is same. It is not going to delete. Why? Because so the data is remain same only. Suppose if you undelete the personal info, what happened? Before undeleting, just check this magic. I'm going to select Sam is going to another parent. Save now. Save now. Okay. So in case before undeleting, if any child record is assigned to new parent, let's see whether it is override or not. Okay. Now go to personal info recycle bin, select this one, undelete. Previously this record is having how many childs? One, two childs. Now go to refresh this attendance. See, the particular value only it is repopulated. So if you delete the parent record, the child record remains same, only parent value is removed. That is first point. If you undelete the parent record from recycle bin, the related child record parent information is empty, then it is repopulated. If it is not empty, then it is not override. In between, any child record is assigned to another parent, that data is remains same. It's not overridden. Okay. These 2 points you have to remember in lookup relationship. Right. Next one. Owner of the field is may or may not be. If you open the attendance record, owner field is available. See, owner field is available. If you want to change a different owner, you can change the different owner as well. Suppose integration, just click on OK, select the integration user, save. See now, this owner is different, parent one owner is different. Parent owner is Raju and integration user as a child owner. Okay, this is. And the next one is governor limit is 40. Already we discussed, right? If you go to here, if you go to custom object and go to object and limits, see one is added. Already we discussed master detail is 2, lookup is 40. Why lookup is 40 means if it is not created any master detail, up to 40 relationships you can create in lookup. If already 2 master detail is created, 38 lookup it is available. Means that is the combination of master detail and lookup limit is 40. Why I mentioned 40 means that maximum we can create 40, right? If master detail is not available. Okay. Now self lookup already last class we discussed, that is parent account and child account, means parent object and child object both are same. Already provided notes. You can check my notes. And come to this one. Child can control the deletion of the parent record. Yes. How means? Previously what happened when you are deleting parent record, the parent record is deleted and also the related child record is remains same, only the parent information is removed. Now let's see, go to the fields, go to the child object, open the field personal info, see here what to do if the lookup record is deleted. Lookup record is nothing but a parent record. Go to the particular field and edit, and here there is a 2 things we have. One is clear the parent value, that is what happened. Otherwise, if you select the second option, see here, don't allow deletion of lookup record. So if you select this one, so system is not allowing to delete the parent record if parent is having child data. Okay, let's save now. Now if you're going to delete the parent record, see now it is not deleted. Why? Because the parent is having one child, so it is not deleted directly. If any parent record is not having attendance information or child information, we can delete directly. So in lookup relationship, we can control the deletion of the parent data. Okay, so that one. Hope you clear all the points. Any questions here, team? Can you practice like this? Just practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case any doubts or any confusing, please let me know. I will repeat one more time as well. Okay, because of these concepts are very important. Relationship possibility. Okay. Now, so parent object, child object, master detail, and lookup relationship. You can understand this table so that parent is standard object, okay, child also standard, and also parent is standard object, child is custom object, and the parent is custom. These are the 4 combinations, right? We have. So, and the child is standard and custom. Now tell me, first option, master detail is possible or not? Can you create master detail between these two, standard and standard? Yes or no? No. Why? Because where master detail fields are created in child object. If child object is standard, that option is available? No. What about lookup? Yes. What about this one? Can you create master detail? Yes. Why? Because so custom object is standard, child object is custom object. Yes, we can choose parent as standard, but a child is custom. Okay. And also here lookup, yes. What about this one? Master detail is possible. Can I choose child object is standard object in master detail?
No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir, not possible.
No.
No, sir.
Yeah, correct. Now, what about this one? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So finally, the conclusion is in master detail, always child object is the custom object. Maybe parent is either standard or custom. Lookup, it is possible, all the possibilities. Okay. Hope you clear. If you understand this table, when you go for master detail, when it is lookup possible, you can understand easily. Right. Next one is hierarchical relationship. What is hierarchical relationship means nothing but this can be created only on user object. Okay, user object. It's not available for any other object. Only user object you can create a hierarchical relationship. Okay, and this is also one-to-one relation only. One-to-one relationship. This is also one-to-one relationship. And also here this is used to create relation between user to user. Okay, user to user. See, suppose if you join any organization like Cognizant, any software industry or maybe hardware industry, whatever, so any company, they're following their own portal, right? So whenever you are joining, you have to know who is your reporting manager or who is your HR manager. So each employee is assigned to one HR manager and one reporting manager. Reporting manager sometimes may be project manager as well. Okay, reporting manager, project manager, sometimes it is same, maybe sometimes it is different, depends on organization structure. Okay, you are the user in that portal, and reporting manager also user, HR manager also user. So which type of relationship they're going to build in backend to update your relationship manager or reporting manager or HR manager means using hierarchical relationship. Okay, hierarchical relationship. How to create means navigation is setup. Under setup, build, customize. Under customize, go to user. Under user, there is a fields. Okay, this one. Let's see how to create. Go to here, example. Create a below fields in Salesforce and test the functionality. Okay, right. So one is reporting manager. One more is HR manager. So follow the naming conventions. So sometimes I mentioned as a camel case letters or something, you have to follow. Okay, so by default you can get it. So now go to here, go to setup. So user is a non-setup object, guys. Non-setup object means there is no tab for the user. Okay, user, we don't have tab. Okay, always user you can access by using navigation part. Now if you go to customize, where user is also one of the standard object, and that is available under customize. If it is a lightning, it is available for object manager. Now you can go to here, somewhere there is a users. Okay, this is click on view fields. If you go to new button, see now there is a hierarchical relationship we have. So this is the hierarchical relationship. Allow user to click lookup icon to select the another user from pop-up list. Okay, select the hierarchical relationship, click on next. So generally when creating relationship, it will ask to choose the parent field, right? Parent object, related object. But hierarchical relationship, it is not asking. Why? Because by default, it is asking for user object only. So it is also kind of self lookup, means user also child only, parent also child only. So that is the reason it is also one-to-one lookup, one-to-one relationship. Okay. So now what is that? Reporting manager. Reporting manager. Okay, if you can give the here or manager. Just I'm giving relationship name. Why? Because coding purpose we are using this relationship name. At the time of codings we'll discuss. Click on next now. Make it visible. Click on next. I'm going to create one more field. Save on new. Select the hierarchical relationship. Click on next. What is that? One more is HR manager. HR manager. We can give the H managers. Just give the name like this. Click on next. Now make it visible. Click on next. Save. Now you know I have created two fields for custom fields. One is HR manager and one is reporting manager. That should be hierarchy data type, right? How to test the functionality? We don't have tab, right? We don't have tab. Then how to access the object? Means I will mention that one also. How to test means setup administrator under administrator manage users under manage users open the record and assign the values, assign the manager values under additional info, okay. Let's see. Go to Salesforce, setup, under setup administer, under administer manage users. Here we have a users. Okay, go to users, open my user, click on edit now. In that edit, there is a additional info. See here, additional information, we have a tab. Okay, in this additional information, you can select reporting manager is integration user and HR manager is maybe I'm going to use read only. Let's see, it is available, not there. Maybe same user it is allowing, maybe I'll select. Okay, integration user. Now click on save now. So as soon as you open the portal, as soon as you go for your personal info or maybe company information, then it will show official information, right? If you go to official information, you can show that who is your HR manager, who is your BU head, or who is your reporting manager. All the details it is showing in your portal. So how they're going to implement that portal? By using hierarchical relationship. That is also it is a one-to-one relationship, and also it is user to user always. Okay, hope you clear how to test the hierarchical relationship, how to create a fields in user object. Not only for this one, any type of fields you can create, and also what is hierarchical relationship. Okay, any questions, team? Note.
No, sir.
Okay, one interview question. People are asking regular question. What are the one-to-one relationships we have in Salesforce? Tell me. One is this one, hierarchical relationship, right? One is hierarchical relationship. What about another one? Tell me. Any another one is there one-to-one relationship? Any idea?
Lookup.
Very good. Lookup means which type of lookup? But I mentioned this is one-to-many, right? You said lookup. Indirectly it is correct only, but there is a specific name. In these points also we have that name. What is that? Your answer is correct, but self lookup. Yes or no? Self lookup also it is one to many, right? One to one, right? Account to account or contact to contact or object to object. This one. So in interview, people are asking, is there any one to one relationship? Means you can tell these questions. Okay. Hope you clear relationships. Any questions, team? Master detail, many to many, lookup, hierarchical relationship. There is one more relationship we have, that is external lookup relationship. So generally most of the time we are not using that one. If you want, you can practice trailhead. Maybe otherwise at the time of integration, maybe I will explain that one. Okay. So that is self-learning, right? Up to now, any questions, or we can good to go for next one? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can.
So now normal data types, thank you. Now normal data types are completed, relationship data types are completed, and also field dependencies also we discussed, track field history also we discussed. Okay, whatever related topics, global pick list, multi-select pick list. So whatever we discussed, field level theory or maybe field level examples, please practice one by one. Why? Because sometimes interview people are asking these type of questions, and also in master detail also maybe I'm going to explain. Okay, so otherwise I'm going to cover that one first, maybe some interview questions for master detail, so that we'll go for next one, right? uh, Up to this is also one of the interview question in master detail. Okay, let me check. Right, master detail interview question. So there is a one company called, I think that is, I forgot actually. It's a bank actually. So DBI something, one bank interview has happened, and so they're asking only related to master detail some questions. Okay, you can understand these questions. You can able to answer whatever they will ask. Okay, right. What is the question is child object. Child object can be a master. Can be a master. Any other records up to how many levels? Up to how many levels? This is one question from top. Means, example, suppose if master detail relationship, there is a 10 objects we have. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, something like that. Okay, so there is a 10 objects we have. How many level we can implement master detail? That is what question. Okay, A is the parent, B is the child. Master detail, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. All are custom objects. Just think like all are custom objects. Again, B is the parent, C is the child. It is possible. Yes. Again, C is the parent, D is the child. Like this, how many levels we can create master detail? Means maximum up to 3 levels we can create. 3 levels we can create. Understand this concept. A is the parent, okay, parent, and B is the child. B is the child. Is it possible for master detail? Yes, possible. Where we are going to create a master detail? B object. Okay, top to see, that is the reason I mentioned from top. Top is the parent and the next one is the child. Again, A is the parent. Okay, understand please. B is the child. Again, B is the parent. C is the child. Is it possible to create master detail? Yes. This is assignment for you guys. If you want, you can test it. Okay. Again, A is the parent. Okay. B is the child. B is the child. Again, B is the parent. C is the child. Okay. Again, C is the parent. D is the child. Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible? These many levels only it is possible. Suppose A is the parent, B is the child, and also here B is the parent, C is the child. Again C is the parent, D is the child. Again D is the parent, E is the child. Is it possible? Means not possible. Hope you clear this requirement. Clear one? This is clear? Yes or no? Any
Yes, sir,
confusion
clear.
here? Clear. Okay,
Nothing, sir,
good.
is clear.
Okay. Next question. Next question. If any one of the child object having two master detail field, can we choose can we choose that object to parent of any other object? This is one more question. Any other object. Example, don't confuse. If you go to here, so personal info, dependent detail with personal info is master detail. Already okay. Dependent detail with account also master detail. Yesterday we created, right? So if you go to dependent detail, click on edit. See here, personal info is the parent and account is the parent. Now, here personal info is one parent, right? Personal info one parent and dependent detail is child, and also one more parent is account. This is what yesterday I did, right? So here which relationship it is? MD relationship only. So this is also MD relationship, and this is also DM relationship. DM means D is the child and M is the parent. This is yesterday created. Now what is the question? If already this object is having two master detail fields, can you choose this object is another master detail field for this parent record? Means suppose now this one is over. Now parent is dependent detail, and the child is something we can create. Any object is available, just go to check something benefits. Okay, you can select benefits. Is it possible? This already we have created dependent detail as a two master detail field with a different object. Can you choose that child object is parent as another child object? That is the question. Okay, understand the question. So my answer is no. I will show you practically. No. Why? Because go to here, go to benefits, close the remaining tabs, click on new. There is no any data. Go to here, view fields, click on new button. Here I mention other object in MD relation. Don't confuse MD relationship. Okay. Now go to here, select the master detail, click on next. Now we can choose here, is there any dependent detail object here? Not there. Yes or no? Dependent detail object is not available. Why? Because the dependent detail already having two master detail. This is one more limitation in Salesforce. I don't know practical scenario, but that is the one more limitation. If you choose the lookup, click on next. If you select your lookup, see the dependent detail is available. The dependent detail is available. So in master detail relationship, already child object is having two master fields, then the child object never be a parent of another object. Okay, that is the answer. Hope you clear this question. Not possible. Note, if child is having child is having two master detail field, two master fields, then the child object never be a parent of another object. Hope you clear this question. Any questions, team? Clear this one? I shown practically as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the two questions, guys. Okay. Generally, people are asking this type of questions as well. Please remember these two questions so that you can understand more about master detail. Right. So the next concept is read-only fields, read-only data types, read-only data types. I think hope already we created auto number. So there is a three data types we have. Three data types. Again, I'm repeating three data types. Okay. One is auto number, and another one is formula, and another one is roll up summary, fields. Okay, this one. So these are the concepts pending with me in field level. Once these concepts are completed, then field concepts is completed. Okay. Maybe I'm going to continue this one tomorrow so that so it will take at least 15 to 20 minutes to complete this one. I have a call now 8 o'clock, so it's not possible to complete within the day. So I'll continue tomorrow. But make sure, guys. So whatever we discussed as of now, please practice all the concepts. If you have any doubts, please contact to me. Okay, right. Because of we discussed more concepts today. Also we discussed lookup relationship, hierarchical relationship, some interview questions as well. Okay, so I'll explain 10 to 15 concepts as well, but you have to practice, right? Understand the concept first. See, if you understand the concept, any type of answer they will ask, you can answer. Any type of questions they will ask, you can answer. Okay, if you are not understanding concept, even though you know answer, you are not able to explain. Okay, again and again I'm telling, by listening it is very easy. Oh, this is the concept, this much simple, but while practicing you can get more doubts. Okay, as of now only one person contact to me, so to have some doubts and all, but what about remaining people? I don't know whether if people are practicing or not. See, one to one need to validate means it's not possible. At least you guys are come up with any doubts, definitely I will explain. If even I don't know, maybe I'll search myself and I'll do that. Hmm? But don't sit idly. At least you can do something, and you have to, because of people are spending some time, right? So at least you have to utilize that time and you can practice something. Hmm? That is what request from my side. If you want n number of times, I'm going to explain. I have patience if you have any doubts, but don't sit idly and listen and ignore. Okay, don't ignore. Lookup relationship and hierarchical relationship. Concepts are very interesting as well. Okay, very interesting and easy also. Okay, so practice more. Right. If you want any information